Hello, my name is Kevin Swei, and I'm a fourth-year graduate student at UC Berkeley. And currently, we're at the Hockemeyer lab, a neighboring lab of the one that I work in, which is the Robert Tejan lab. I grew up in Taiwan for the first part of my childhood, and then I moved to the Bay Area, actually, which is where we are, when I was approximately 8 or 9. I was always scientifically inclined. That is not to say I always liked biology. I like to understand how things worked, so I think you can say that's more scientifically inclined. Like I said, I really like mechanical things actually when I was younger, because things just make sense. You know, when you have a cog, you turn one thing, you can see the rest of the machine work, and you can see individual parts of how they work. So I always really liked physics and mechanics, but as I got into biology in high school, it was kind of amazing when I could see in textbooks all these things that were described to me that I had never even thought about before. You know, all these little things inside of your body and how they come about. That's not something you can observe by yourself. And you know, reading and understanding how these things just kind of fit together logically, it was quite amazing to me. And that's really the first step of me really favoring biology over something like chemistry or mathematics or engineering. So my lab is actually more interested in what you would call basic science, meaning that our studies are not primarily focused on an individual disease. For example, some labs revolve around cancer, and they study various aspects of cancer. For us, we're more interested in a process called differentiation and transcription in that regard. And what that means is, you know, you have different cells in your body, and for example, you have a muscle cell, you have your skin, and then you have your heart, and your fat, and your hair, and they're